This is Srinivas. Welcome back to my channel K.S.R. First of all, in our life, we have more options, more choices in our life. But it is very difficult thing is to choose which one is the best, which one is the right thing. Here, the choice what we choose, we that make impact on our life. The road not taken, that poem written by Robert Frost. Here, the writer had two options, but he had to choose one out of them and moved ahead. Now, if he wants to change the way, he can't do it. Here, the choice what we make, it impacts our life. So, one should be very careful to choose which one is the best and which one is the right path. That we have to move ahead. And here, moral of this poem is you should be very careful when you have more choices, when you have more options, which one is the best and right form, whether you are going, whether you choose right one or not. Once we move that way, once we choose that way option, we have to go ahead and to get success. That is, we have to learn from this poem. Thank you.